Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Ill and Tail Tavern game on your PC. Guys, first you have to open up your any browser and just search for the Steam. And the Steam website will appear on the top, so you just need to open it. And guys, here you will see the login option on the right hand top, so you just need to click on that. And if you have an account, then just simply log in. And if you don't have, then create one. Guys, once you created the account, then click on the install Steam you are seeing on the top. And here just download the Steam and install it onto your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. Then just open up the Steam and log in with your account. Then click on the top search box and just type here the game name, which is the Ill and Tail Tavern. And this game will appear on the top. Just open it. And now here just scroll down, you will see the option of add to cart. So you just need to click on the option of add to cart and you can buy this game for the 6.99 bucks. Click on the continue to payment and here you can pay with your any card you have. You can also pay with your PayPal. Then go to the Steam library. On the left hand side you will find the game, which is the Ale and Tail Tavern. Just click on that, click on the install then, and the game will start downloading onto your PC. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it and I will see you guys in the next video.